Hello guys, I'm preparing to sell my vintage Casio watch. I believe it's from the 1980s. There's two numbers on the back. There's a 248 and a W-26. I'm not sure which exactly is the model number. Anyways, it's water resistant up to 50 meters apparently. Pretty nice little watch. I just put a new battery in it. So, this top left button, let's go over how it works. Just push that in with your thumbnail till you see a number flashing. Then you can use this bottom right button to change the digits. To scroll through the numbers, this bottom left button. Just push it till you get the selection you want. That's the calendar at the top there, the month and the day. And actually what day it is. When you're satisfied, then you push this button again, the top left. And this top right button is a light. You'll see a light come in on the left side. Then this bottom left button just scrolls through the settings here. You got your stopwatch. This bottom right button triggers the stopwatch. And then when you're ready to stop it, you push it again. Then to clear it, this top right button. Let's see the next setting here on the left bottom button. After stopwatch, you got timer. Again, this bottom right button sets the timer to go. Push the left bottom again, you get alarm. Change the digits with this button on the bottom right again. Actually, to set the alarm, I believe you push this top left again. Yeah, then it flashes, and then you can use this to change the digits. And the bottom left scrolls through. You can change the time for your alarm. Top left again sets it. And then this bottom left again scrolls to the next setting, which is the regular calendar and time. So, main screen, you push the bottom left, you get stopwatch, push it again, you get timer, push it again, you got alarm, and then back to the normal setting. And when it's on the normal setting and you push this bottom right button, switches between 24 and 12-hour time. So that's military time, 24 hours right there. Push it again. You got back to standard time. Overall, it's a pretty nifty little watch. Got a couple minor scratches on the crystal of it. Other than that, it's in very good shape. Again, it's got a new battery, and it'll be going up for sale on eBay under my eBay ID of FishDivine2. Thanks for watching. Take care. Subscribe. And have a blessed day. Hello guys, one more quick tidbit on this. On the alarm setting. This top right button, push it. And then you see that those two symbols show up. When those are on the screen, then your alarm is set to go off. You push the top right again. When you don't see the symbol, then your alarm is set off. That should cover it. Thanks for watching. Again, have a blessed day.